welcome. In this video, we're going to buzz through really quickly how to do a retriever trainer page. A retriever trainer page is pretty identical to a retriever breeder page with a few minor exceptions. So what I'm going to do is reference creating a breeder page in most scenarios and then quickly go through the differences. So the first thing we're going to do is log into ProLitter. Now once we're logged into ProLitter, we're going to see on the right hand side my dog training business. That was very similar to my kennel breeding page over on the left hand side. So I'm just going to make an example here. So we're going to go with Moose Golden's example. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next. So one thing I'm going to note here is pay attention to these notes. One of the great things about ProLitter is that it uses what's called clean URLs. So when you create your business name, you're actually creating a URL. So this is very important to know that you should use things that make sense. You should use your actual business name or your first and last name, something that you want people to be able to find you as in search engines. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. And you'll see this looks a lot like a breeder page. The biggest difference will be down here in the middle section. We have dog training services. Everything else is pretty much the same. We also have dog breeding page. Now if we think back to our dog breeding page demo, you'll remember that there was an area where we had a summary. So that's what this is doing here. This is pulling in the breeder information that I added. So this is saying, so this is also my training page. So if I had added a summary, you would see that down here as well. But if I were to click this, it would take the user to my breeding page. And that's how we link these pages together. So right now, let's take a look at the edit menu, and we'll see that we have our services section, which is something new we did not have on the breeder page. So if I click that, you'll see add up to 8 services with brief descriptions. So this is text only, so this is very simple. So we're just going to click on the add service button and we're going to give it a title. So I'll say example title and example description. Now if I go ahead and hit save, that should populate right there on the side column, and you'll see we now have example title, example description. So you can add a bunch of these, up to 8 services, to help describe your training services, specific services, to let people know more about what you do. And then like breeders, we also have a welcome area. We have a photo gallery if you have a master account. You can change your main photo, links, and then you're going to upload your logo, again, the same way as you would with a breeder page. So that summarizes adding a trainer page. For everything else, I'm going to have you reference the creating a breeder page. Thanks for watching.